Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irina, I'm 17 years old and I'm the Malagasy Musician. Today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try doing Vlogmas, but from a musician's perspective. Like making music, Christmas edition, making music ornaments, doing whatever's music related, but from my perspective as a musician / artist. So I thought I'd show you guys for today, because today is December 1st and I have something exciting. My jazz shoes. You may be wondering, why do I have jazz shoes? Well, you'll see that coming up. It's kind of exciting, guys. I'm excited. I can't wait to show you guys why I have them. But you gotta stay tuned. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can see why I have those. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna try something new together, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!